Oh. This was supposed to be a picture. I'm sorry. No, it's a video. Now you're gonna have to keep it forever. Don't look, Jamie's getting dressed. Here, look at, they're outside. Look at them. Look at, not you. Goodbye. We need another good song for lunch. No. No. I deleted that song by accident. Hold on. No. No. Yes. That's cool. What? Maybe used to be that girl. Never said, yeah. Then she only said, ask Club 7 and all those boy names. Now it's been a few years, like a have dreams. Now it's more than I wanna say. Then you have left my life to say, I'm gonna live it all in my face. Man, he's never wasted time. This is fun. Yeah. We're all right now.
Hello. I'm very hard to look up. Curious. Are you curious? I was really thinking I would be like, damn.
This is really hard.
Are you filming this?
Oh, no, I was.
Are you filming this?
No. No. No, 16. Say hi.
Hi.
This is fun!
You're not filming it.
Yes, I am. Look at her. Look at her. She's not dressed. I love him. And him. And him. And him. And him. And him. And him. Hold on, I'm not done yet. And him. And him. And him. And him. Not her. Well, yeah, I do, but not like that. And him. And him. And him. And him.
So many of them.
And him. And him. And him. And him. And him. And him. And especially him. Oh. I don't know if I said that one, but him. You're just jealous. You're just jealous. You are just saying, but you're jealous. Okay?
Okay.
Woo! You can't see me.
Joe's voice sounds really bad in that part.
How do you know where I am? Where? Look, a pole. Hello.
Okay.
That looks funny. Hello. Let's dance.
Ow.
Oh, this is fun. Ready? Come on.